Hi, I'm NBC's weatherman, not the weatherman, despite the picture behind me, but the weatherman. Here's a letter which was sent to me by a viewer named Robert Trebor from Lance Boyles Heights in the wonderful state of Tennessee, home of the Tennessee Waltz, which bears its name. Robert, are you aware that your first and last names meet in the middle? I'm sure you do. Robert writes, I was taught when growing up that gravity is caused by the spinning of the earth. I was also told that if it wasn't for gravity, we would all be thrown into space by the spinning of the earth. It has always seemed to me that you can't have it both ways. What do you think? Well, Robert, I think you are a troublemaker. Why can't you just let sleeping dogs lie? I'm sure that the dog lying asleep at your feet does not worry about such things. This is an example of education giving you a scary concept and utterly failing to give enough information to alleviate your scaredness. Since most teachers, not to mention theoretical theoreticians, in this field of astrophysics do not understand the principles involved, have you no shame, Robert? But I will tell you, because I never let a viewer's question go hungry. The answer is that gravity does both things, but for different reasons. I'm sure you have had at least one teacher who would mark you down for claiming that two opposite forces have an equal reaction. Well, rest assured that I will not embarrass you with your behavior. I'm the whether or not guy. Please come back for another interesting discussion about whether or not. Goodbye.